हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। रन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर से आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 28। ये भी प्रोनाउंस पर बेस्ड है। आपको बताना है इसमें कौन सा प्रोनाउन जो है सेंटेंसेस में वो रिफ्लेक्सिव है और कौन सा एम्फेटिक। एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस को हम एम्फसाइजिंग प्रोनाउंस भी कहते हैं। तो आपको इन सेंटेंसेस को देखकर बताना है। पहला है आई विल गो माई सेल्फ एम्फेटिक। Rama has hurt himself. Himself, reflective. We often deceive ourselves. Ourselves, reflexive. I myself heard the remark. Myself, emphatic. You express yourself very imperfectly. Yourself, reflexive. I wash myself when I get up. Myself, reflexive. The boys hide themselves. Reflexive. They have got themselves into the mess. Emphatic. Boadicea poisoned herself. Reflexive. They loved themselves so much that they thought of no one else. Themselves. Reflexive. The prisoner hanged himself. Reflexive. The poor widow poisoned herself. Reflexive. They enjoyed themselves. Reflexive. Don't you deceive yourself. Reflexive. I myself heard the remark. Myself. Emphatic. He said himself a hard task. Himself. Reflexive. We exert ourselves. Reflexive. The dog choked itself. Reflexive. They gave themselves a lot of trouble. Themselves. Reflexive. We seldom see ourselves as others see us. Ourselves, reflexive. A house divided against itself cannot stand. Itself, reflexive. He that wrongs his friends wrongs himself more. Reflexive. Some people are always talking about themselves. Reflexive. Xerxes himself was the last to cross the Hellespont. Himself, emphatic. He has landed himself in difficulties. Reflexive. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. Reflexive. Quit yourselves like men. Yourselves, reflexive. Whosoever shall exalt himself shall be abased. Himself, reflexive. Deny itself trembled at the presence of God. Itself, emphatic. I cannot bring myself to do it. Myself, reflexive. Pray do not inconvenience yourself. Reflexive. I was sitting by myself. Reflexive. And sometimes I do hate myself. Reflexive. तो ये थे आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 28। अब इसके बाद करते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 29। तब तक आप सब्सक्राइब करें ASA एजुकेशन।